Out-of-home marketing is one of the fastest growing advertising segments. Why? It has the ability to reach your consumers when they're most engaged and close to the point of purchase. But how can you truly understand where to connect with your audience to actually engage them? That's where Geopath comes in. We know out-of-home as if it were our home. We leverage near real-time data and insights from a range of sources, including phones, surveys, and even cars, to provide you with anonymized data on your target audience. This helps you identify the best inventory in each market to reach your goals. Think of us as your trusted data gurus, helping to put your ads in front of the right people. We're on a mission to simplify out-of-home data. Through our easy-to-use platform, we empower you to gain critical audience insights on both a local and national planning level. Start powering your smarter out-of-home advertising and visit geopath.org today.